Hey guys, it is almost 5 o'clock and I have been asleep all day. It's just been raining. You can see the beach club's Castaway Bay behind me. The pool is actually open this morning. It is really not that windy. The breeze feels nice. It's just, we've got a kind of a pretty steady rain now, and they are doing free play again in the arcade today. So Corbin and James are in there playing some arcade games while we wait for our dinner reservation. We're going to the seafood buffet at Cape May tonight. I wanted to eat at 5 when they opened, so we came about 30 minutes early since they were doing walk-ups only, no reservations, and at 4:30 we were told it would be about a 20-minute wait. So I guess we will get to go in the first round of seating for that. The lobbies are just as insane with activities as the arcade is. I'm going to pop into the arcade just to show you how crazy it is. Let me see. As of right now, it's really not all that windy. We're just getting like a pretty steady rain. It's not like even really a torrential downpour or anything. I'm on the veranda of the beach club right in front of Beaches and Cream, which I thought was supposed to be closed today. Otherwise we may have eaten there, but maybe we'll do Beaches and Cream tomorrow around lunchtime. I still haven't gotten my kitchen sink for my birthday, so let me see. It's going to be noisy in here, so you're not going to be able to hear me. You wave hi? They won't hear you. I was just showing them how crazy it is. Thank you. So noisy in there. So yeah, here in about 10 minutes we should be eating, and I just had a nice nap day today, so hopefully I will be feeling at least somewhat recovered when we go back into the parks on Tuesday. But still no major gusts of wind or anything, just some rain. I will check back in with you guys later. Okay, bye.